little friends! Welcome back to Eva Central. Today, we're going on a number adventure with our quiz game. Are you ready to count and learn? Let's go! Get ready for some number questions. Shout your answers out loud. Let's get started. How many wheels does a car have? Does it have 2, 3, or 4? Yes, it has 4 wheels. Cars need 4 wheels to go zoom zoom down the road. How many legs does a dog have? Does it have 2, 4, or 6? That's right, dogs have 4 legs. They use their legs to run and jump and play. What is 2 plus 1? Is it 1, 2, or 3? Yes, it's 3. If you have 2 apples and add 1 more, you have 3 apples. You're super counters? Now let's play a true or false game. Ready? A triangle has 4 sides. True or false? False. Fun fact, a triangle has 3 sides. You have 10 fingers on both your hands. True or false? True. Fun fact, can you count all your fingers? Yay, you're all number experts. Give yourselves a big clap. You're amazing. Thanks for playing with me on Eva Central. Come back for more fun quizzes soon. Bye-bye.